Hello and welcome everybody to a new day on talking about Vastu, making Vastu easy for you. We've been doing so much work for you all these weeks. Hope you've watched those videos. If you have not, go back and watch them. And today we have another very exciting and very interesting episode on Vastu for you with Shilpaji, our Vastu expert. Shilpaji, over to you.
Hello, Saurabh. Yeah. So now we've actually discussed about the main 8 directions, the 4 cardinal directions, as well as the 4 ordinal directions. Now, just for for the sake of people who are not very much into Vastu, so normally you must have heard कि जब हम एक traditional वास्तु होता है, एक modern वास्तु की बात करते हैं लोग. Okay, so traditional Vastu used to consider only 8 directions and they used to work on it. But modern Vastu is more technical, more intricate, you can say. And here we actually have 16 directions. So now, अब ये 8 हम कर चुके, 8 directions और कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? So to know this, we should know that between every cardinal and an ordinal direction, there is another area. That is another zone, which you can call it as a direction or a new zone. So now let's start with it because there are 8 directions, 8 zones, and we'll take it in very simple words so that everyone can use it at least on their own, whatever is best, right? So let's start with the north and the east. So we know that between the north and the east, there is northeast. Now, northeast is the ordinal direction, and on one side of it is north and the other side is the east. So between the north and the northeast is north of northeast. Now, how to remember this? We have the main directions, which are the cardinal directions. So north is the main direction. So when north is closer, the cardinal direction which is closer is taken. So it is north and northeast. So it becomes north of northeast.
Okay.
Now this
So
direction.
just to understand it for me, so we have north and we have east. तो and बीच में आ गया नॉर्थ ईस्ट. सो इसके नॉर्थ ईस्ट के जो भी पार्ट नॉर्थ की तरफ है उसको नॉर्थ ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट
की तरफ आएगा. You go towards the reverse side. Yeah, towards the north.
Towards the north, right? And anything that's going towards the east from the northeast is east of northeast. Is that correct?
Yes, right.
Okay, perfect.
You got it right. Yeah.
Right.
So when we talk about north of northeast, this direction is the direction which gives us health and immunity. So very important direction for everyone. सबको, health is wealth, as we say. So इस direction का बहुत ध्यान रखना है. Now because this is towards the north, यहाँ पे कोई red color नहीं होना चाहिए. You can keep your medicines and your prescriptions here. So अगर होती ना कि जो long ailments है या regular medication है, keep your medicines here, keep your prescriptions here, and you'll see कि आपको कितना ज़्यादा effect करने लगेंगी medicines. You'll get better results. You'll find that these medicines have started working for you. Maybe with time it would decrease also. So this is the direction of health and immunity. Don't sleep here. One should not sleep here because sleeping here can actually lower down your immunity. So this particular area can be used for sleeping only by someone who's very sick for that particular time period. Right? So okay. This is one of the
Okay, this so is one of the quick questions here. So I get that. Okay, so this area is for people where if you're unwell, please move into this space and for your getting well from illness to health. But what I understand is that if you are well and you're fine, then this is not the place to sleep in because it could lead to, I guess, more you getting prone to more diseases. Medicines can be kept there. आपने एक चीज बोली है red color नहीं रखना. So I want to understand that why red color नहीं रखना.
Again, because this is your water element.
Okay.
तो पानी के साथ आग नहीं लाना है. बहुत simple concept है. इसको हमेशा use करना है. Right?
Okay. Like we spoke in our previous episodes. So
Yeah.
from there. Okay.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Let's continue on. So the next one in this is?
Yeah. So now from northeast, let's move towards the east. So the area or the zone which lies between northeast and the east is east of northeast.
Right.
East of northeast is very happy zone. So this area gives you general happiness in life. So this is a very good place to sit and spend time with your family. You can have pictures of your family members here. You can have pictures of vacations. Any happy picture can be kept here. But remember, you put it in a black frame. Okay, so this is a very good zone for, this gives you happiness. So you can have your drawing room over here. You can have your living area over here. You can have your bedroom here. But just take care that you don't make a study room over here.
Okay.
जब भी यहाँ study table भी आएगा, तो आप देखोगे जो भी student है या जो भी पढ़ रहा है, can be a grown up or a kid, उसका mind हमेशा distract होगा पढ़ाई से. अगर कंप्यूटर में बैठ के कुछ काम कर रहे हो, पढ़ रहे हो, तो वो धीरे से वो गेम में चला जाएगा. So this area is basically, it is going to make you very joyful. So now we know how to use it.
Right. So black color का जो significance आपने बताया on the happy picture, वो क्यों है?
Happy. See, this is a zone which gives you happiness.
Right.
आप कोई भी चीज देखते हो, it has an impact on your subconscious mind.
Right.
So when you're seeing a happy vacation picture, you will be motivated to plan more vacations and lead a happier life. That way.
Okay, but what about the black frame? What was the purpose of the black frame?
Black frame is again because it is towards the north direction.
Okay.
It is between north and east, right? So because it is towards the north direction, black is a color which supports it. So we don't want to go for anything which is anti.
Okay.
So this is in favor of. Yeah.
As we continue on, Shilpa ji has changed her direction just for us so that we get to see changing directions also changes energies for all of us. हाँ जी शिल्पा जी, नेक्स्ट डायरेक्शन.
तो अब हमने नॉर्थ से लेके ईस्ट तक 4 डायरेक्शंस एक्चुअली कवर कर लिए. इनफैक्ट 5 डायरेक्शंस हो गए. नॉर्थ हो गया, ईस्ट, नॉर्थ ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट, ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड द ईस्ट. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द साउथ. सो व्हेन वी मूव फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू साउथ, between east and south is southeast. Now what comes before southeast? So this is east of southeast. The zone which is between east and the southeast is east of southeast. Now this zone is something which gives us anxiety. East of southeast is supposed to be a zone of churning. तो कोई भी चीज है वो घूमती रहती है. So this particular zone is somewhere like it is a place where we should not spend again a lot of time. बिकॉज अगर आप बैठोगे तो आप जो भी सोच रहे हो वो सोचते ही जाओगे. एंड जो किसी चीज को ज्यादा सोचो तो वो कुछ और ही रूप ले लेता है. सो यू हैव टू अवॉइड स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम हियर. सेकेंडली, इफ यू सिट हियर, इट कैन ऑल्सो गिव यू इश्यूज लाइक डायबिटीज एंड हाइपरटेंशन. We all know कि stress is one of the reasons for hypertension and diabetes. But if this part is in your kitchen, it is a very good place to keep your mixer grinder. कोई भी चीज जो घूमती रहती है, मिक्सर ग्राइंडर या वॉशिंग मशीन, उसके लिए बहुत परफेक्ट लोकेशन है. So you can have your mixers and grinders over here. And suppose आपका बेडरूम ईस्ट ऑफ साउथ ईस्ट में आ रहा है, तब आप क्या करोगे? तब आपको क्या करना चाहिए? यहाँ ईस्ट ऑफ साउथ ईस्ट में एक टॉय मिक्सर रख दीजिए. बच्चों के खिलौने आते हैं मिक्सी के, एक मिक्सर वहां रख दीजिए. It is going to give you the impact of a mixer and it would churn up the unnecessary thoughts. So this is east of southeast. And
so
again,
wonderful. I have a couple of questions here. आपने जो बोला, so मेरा दिमाग चलनी शुरू हो गई. If I am a person whose work involves thinking like creativity, drawing, painting, creating ads, thinking of workshops, or if somebody has asked you a question, think of an answer. एक होता है मनन चिंतन करना in spirituality where you think of a certain thought and you keep on working on it till you get enlightenment. Will this be a
Yeah.
good place for that if we do it in a limited amount of time, but not spend the whole time, but maybe spend an hour here to help us start churning, especially जब वो क्रिएटिव राइटिंग में से ब्लॉक आ जाता है क्योंकि दिमाग सूझ ही नहीं रहा, तो क्या हो सकता है ये आप करें?
Yes, you can try that, but then again be careful. It normally this particular direction is basically a very negative direction, so it can take your first negative side.
Okay, so perfect. So just for everybody's sake, and this is my thought, I'm assuming everybody else or a lot of people will have the same thought. So do not use this for a place of creative thinking. It's not. So just be careful on that. Hanji, let's continue.
A very good zone for let things go out. Okay, so for disposing, it is a very good zone. And now again, in this particular zone also, it never use a blue or a black, because east of southeast is the start of the fire element. So again, blue and black को हमें totally यहाँ से avoid करना है. Done. Then we move towards the south, southeast, and southeast से जब हम south की तरफ जाते हैं, तो this particular direction or the zone is called a south of southeast, SSE, and this is one of the best zones for your health, for strength, okay, and for confidence. So इसी से हमें आइडिया हो जाता है हम यहाँ क्या कर सकते हैं. ये SSE है. You can have your dining table here. You can have your kitchen here. You can sit and work out over here. Especially people who are into weight training, it is a very good zone for them. As well as for people who think they lack confidence. People feel that they are very weak or they don't have that confidence. For them, this is an ideal location. They should spend some time here, or they can sit and work over here. It would be a very good zone for them.
Wow, this is awesome. So we have spoken about north of northeast, east of northeast. We've spoken of east of southeast and south of southeast. So we've gotten 4 directions where, if you look at it, so for everybody who's watching, let's unpack it a little for you. Go back to the episode where we did north, south, east, west. Then the episode of northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. Now you're coming here and you will start seeing that as you go deeper and deeper, each space has a general view, and then it gets more and more specific of what exactly you could do there. And this is just amazing because you've learned of a place which is about healing when you are unwell, about a happy space, about a churning space or letting go space. Actually, it's a space where you just let go. So कुछ सोचना नहीं है आपने, बस यहाँ आके अपने सारे टॉक्सिक थॉट्स बाहर निकाल देनी है. बस जाओ, मुझे इनके बारे में सोचना, तुम जाओ, बाहर जाओ. And finally, we came to the final direction. It's just amazing. And we have 4 more directions. Shilpa ji, would it be better if we do the 4 more directions next week and just so that people can absorb it?
Yeah, right. We can do it next week. Just to end with this, I would like to give 1 or 2 things so that, we can utilize more and more. So east or southeast is a very good direction to have a toilet here. नॉर्मली हम टॉयलेट्स के लिए बहुत पर्टिकुलर होते हैं, तो ईस्ट और साउथ ईस्ट में आप टॉयलेट बना सकते हो. यू कैन कीप योर डस्टबिन्स हियर, यू कैन हैव योर शू रैक हियर, यू कैन इवन कीप योर ब्रूम्स एंड क्लीनिंग इक्विपमेंट्स हियर, राइट? सो
सब सफाई का सामान यहीं पे,
सब सफाई का सामान यहाँ पे, सब कुछ हमें बाहर जो सफाई करता है आपकी लाइफ की भी और घर की गंदगी की भी, सब सामान आप यहाँ रख दीजिए.
दिमाग की सफाई भी यहीं से होगी, यहाँ से कीजिए. बिल्कुल.
Yes. So with this, we finish off with 4 basic. Tony, these are actually the intermediate directions between the cards.
Yeah, so these are because the reason I said that we'll bring it in the next episode is because I think I will give I need time, and I'm assuming a lot of viewers need time to really absorb it in and start using it. So don't just listen to it. अच्छा सुन लिया नहीं, आप actually 3 episodes आपको मिले हैं, आप उन तीनों में जाके एक एक चीज करके उसको डालिए अपने सिस्टम में और 1 हफ्ता भी ट्राई कीजिए. There's always shifts that begin to happen right away. मैं तो एक्सपीरियंस करता हूँ कि अगर मैं यहाँ से यहाँ आ गया, जैसे ये आपने शिल्पा जी को देखा, हमने फर्स्ट हाफ द वीडियो एक डिफरेंट एंगल पे किया, दूसरे एंगल पे कर रहे हैं, देयर इज अ फुल शिफ्ट ऑफ एनर्जीज, राइट? एंड दैट हैपेंस। सो प्लीज गाइज, आपको इतनी डीप इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है शिल्पा जी से, इसको छोड़िए मत, इसका इस्तेमाल कीजिए। जस्ट try it out in your homes, and the next 1 week you will see major shifts happening.
Yes, and please keep, sending us updates if you do something. Absolutely. Yeah, if you feel something positive or negative, whatever it is, do let us know. So Absolutely. We can actually.
Will do. Thank you so much, Shilpa ji, again for this week, and for everybody else, we'll be back next week. Thank you so much.